Okay. It's real. It exists.
It's real. I was here to
Did you
witness
touch
this
it? Max, you touch it too.
Observer effect. It's
Okay.
here.
It has coalesced out of nothingness.
The waveform has collapsed.
That's right. It is real. I heard it running. It is absolutely here. And it's got really, really bad tires on it. 2019?
Yes.
So these will not pass. But it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. I'm gonna get Japanese side steps. It's a bit rough here and there. But overall, not bad. I think maybe we need the seats. How did that even happen?
No, it's the forms, and it can be refurbished.
Yeah, and all of these things. This is really puzzling. And why is there a caliper sitting in the back?
And this for that. But it has brakes.
Oh, I love it. I love it. They left the sticker on. How hilarious that is. Or maybe they put the sticker on.